No, I just realized last night that the word productive is the most dangerous word in our vocabulary. And because I've spent the last 3 years treating myself like an assembly line, if I wasn't optimizing my sleep, I was optimizing my lunch break. If I wasn't reading a business book, you know, I was listening to a podcast at 2x speed while I brush my teeth. And I think that's the problem. We've turned our existence into a math problem. We think that if we just squeeze enough value out of every minute, we'll eventually reach some magical destination where we can finally rest. But the rest never comes because the more efficient you get, the more the world expects from you. Because productive, has become a way to justify our existence. We feel like if we aren't producing, we aren't enough. But I'm tired of being an asset. I just want to be a person. I want to do things that have zero ROI. I want to sit on a park bench. I want to watch a dog for 20 minutes, without feeling like I'm wasting time. And your life is not, supposed to be a project to be managed. It's just a story to be lived. So, what I'm gonna say here is stop optimizing and just, start living.